Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the best products to make your life easier and more fun. Today, we're talking about a truly amazing item. The best clingy thingies. The Adhesive Clingy Thingies squares. These little squares are not just your average crafting material, they're versatile, easy to use, and come with a ton of benefits. Whether you're a teacher, a parent, or someone who loves to get creative, these clingy thingies will quickly become your new best friend. Let's dive right in. The Adhesive Clingy Thingies squares come in a pack of 50, and each square measures 1 inch. They have an adhesive backer on one side, perfect for sticking to almost any surface, while the other side has a cling backer, making them reusable and easy to reposition. This dual functionality gives you flexibility like never before. You can stick them, peel them off, and stick them again without any hassle. It's like having an endless supply of sticky notes, but way more versatile. These clingy thingies are clear and made from a high-quality cling material, which means they won't leave any sticky residue behind. You can use them on walls, windows, and even on your favorite posters or photos without worrying about damage or leaving a mess. If you're decorating a classroom, organizing a craft project, or even making your own DIY wall art at home, these are an excellent solution. What makes these squares stand out is their ease of use. No complicated steps, just peel and stick. And when you're done, simply remove them and reuse them as needed. Imagine how much easier your next art project or classroom display will be when you don't have to constantly worry about tape or glue. Plus, the 1-inch size makes them super easy to handle, even for little hands. The price? At $9.99 for 50 squares, it's affordable for anyone who loves to craft, decorate, or organize. If you're based outside the United States, don't worry, they also ship internationally, including to India, for a small shipping fee. The Adhesive Clingy Thingies are perfect for general use. You can apply them to surfaces around your home or workspace. They also come in handy for teachers, whether you're using them to display student work or creating a creative, ever-changing bulletin board. These little squares will not only make your life easier, but they'll also add a fun and innovative twist to your everyday projects. In conclusion, the Adhesive Clingy Thingies squares are definitely a must-have for anyone who loves to organize, decorate, or get creative. Their versatility, reusability, and ease of use make them stand out in a world full of ordinary craft supplies. Whether you're decorating your classroom, organizing your home, or just doing some fun DIY projects, these squares will help make the task a lot simpler and more enjoyable. Don't miss out on this brilliant little product. Be sure to check them out, and we'll see you next time on Product Critique.